In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to void or cancel an eBay shipping label. If you've purchased a label on eBay and then realized you no longer need it, maybe because the order changed, the package details were incorrect, or you selected the wrong shipping service, don't worry. eBay gives you a way to cancel or void that label directly from your account. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it with confidence. To begin, go to your eBay Seller Hub and find the orders area. From there, click on See All Orders. This takes you to the section where you can view your recent sales and manage order-related activity. If you have a lot of orders, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct one, especially if you created several shipping labels around the same time. Once you're in the Orders and Shipping Management area, click on Shipping Labels. This opens the page where eBay stores the labels you've already purchased. Here, you'll be able to review your existing labels and locate the specific one that needs to be canceled. It's a good idea to double check the order details before moving forward so you don't accidentally void the wrong label. After you find the label you want to remove, click the action menu associated with that label. In that menu, choose either Cancel Label or Void Label, depending on the wording shown in your account. eBay may use one of these terms, but the purpose is the same. You're submitting a request to cancel that unused shipping label. At this point, follow any on-screen prompts eBay provides to confirm the cancellation. Be sure the label has not been used and has not already been scanned by the carrier, because labels that have entered the shipping process may not be eligible to be voided. In general, the sooner you cancel the label, the better. Once submitted, eBay will process the void request according to its shipping policy. In many cases, any eligible refund is not always immediate, so give it some time to be reviewed and completed. You can usually return to the shipping labels section later to check the status. And that's it. To void or cancel an eBay shipping label, go to See All Orders, Open Shipping Labels, then use the action menu to select Cancel Label or Void Label. It's a simple process, and knowing where to find these options can save you time and help prevent unnecessary shipping costs.